Hello everyone. This is Dr. Rakesh Verma from the Sage University Bhopal. Today we will understand about the loop inside the Python. So let us start. So in this lecture, we will learn about the syntax of the for loop first of all. So after for, you can use the variable, the name of the variable. After this, you have to use two keywords as in and range. After this, inside the bracket, you have to pass three values. First is the starting value, second is the ending value, and the third is the difference. These are separated by the comma. After that, you have to write the print and the variable name. So let us understand this by the help of a simple program. This is the objective of our program to print the values from 1 to 10. So I have written here for I in range 1, 11, 1. And after that, I have written the print I, and is equal to double matrix, with a single space. So this is the starting value, this is the ending value, and this is the difference. So the output of this program would be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all in the same line is because I have used the and equal to. So let us run this program. The same program is written here on the PyCharm platform. So run this program. So you can see the output as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 on the same line because I have used here and equal to with a double inverted comma and a single space. So these are the three values, that is 1, 11, 1. So this is the starting value, this is the ending value, and this is 1. Remember one thing, here the internal condition used by the Python is less than, not less than equal to. That's why I have written here 11, so that 11 will not be displayed on the screen. The values will be displayed only till 10. So I think you have understand about the for loop. Thank you for watching this video. So these are some of the MUs of the Sage University. Thank you.